Next, we have complaints. So any complaints that you have, you can add here. Again, if you have not been involved in any complaints, you just tick this box. If you have been involved, you can add a complaint here. So let's add a complaint. You can then decide whether it was to do with a patient, it was from a colleague, member of the public, or it was other. So most of the time it's patients. Give the details of the complaint. I clearly can't spell. It's very important to put in your outcome as well here. Another thing to note is these text boxes with these lines, you can actually extend them so it's easier for you to see what you're typing. Don't forget to save.